Well, Colin just got in the wreck. Somebody hit him head on. There's a tire. Where the fuck over there? There's part of the axle. I don't know where the rim is, but Colin said it's in a bunch of pieces somewhere. Somewhere over here. Thing is fucked. Cops everywhere.
I meant to tell you to bring one.
Big Blue. That boy shit dirty. Oh, it's sitting good. Diff drop bracket. Got the rear crush memo on. Cut the diff already. Put the little brackets on there. Following my little instructions. Pretty much just gonna try to get the diff in. That way he can finish the rest tomorrow. Pretty much. The diff's the fucking hardest part. Hopefully we cut enough and we get that diff in there clear. Got the diff in. Didn't have to fucking cut it 20 times this time. Thank God. Amen. Fucking about to just tighten all the shit up. I don't know how far else we going, but rough country done fucked us. So we got 2 bolts here for the front of the cross member. This one, I don't know, that's small, but it's too small. We got that one for the back, for the rear cross member, you know, for the new one. We got this one that just sent us, but it's too big. It's too big in diameter to fit in the hole, the washers and nuts. So gotta go run to the store tomorrow, get a new one. But then after that, that's it. Pretty much. Just put everything back together, like a spender and shit. But rough country fucked us. You think for like, how much you paid? 1,000?
Yeah, 1,000.
Man, for $1,000, they give you one fucking nut. I mean, bolt. Motherfuckers. So I didn't record this the other day, but I might pick up this Horn Blaster's little kit thing here that I got off of somebody. It's got a Firestone tank. It's got a Vi Air, 2 AC compressor on it. It's got three horns on it. Came with one brand new one, some more wiring, and I guess like a little relay or whatever. But I'm not too sure. God said it worked. He gave me the other horn to replace this one because it's all broke up. But I'm about to mess with it right now, see how loud it is, and then eventually I want to try to wire it up to where the horns are running off a switch and my bags are running off of the tank and compressor. This is a 2.5 gallon maybe. Not exactly sure, but I just plugged in the compressor. Compressor works, so I'm gonna do some little fidgeting right here and try to get it to work. So, like I said, the compressor works, but these connections, this one leaks right here, and they all kind of leak. Like there's no thread Teflon tape or nothing on them, and then all these lines is like kinked. So that they work and it blows, or it's not loud. Although I got this other one, and it blows when I do it. So don't video me those lines.
She said, in those flower pots, they might have poisonous. That's the loudest they're gonna be.
I mean, that's the one. I got like 3. But them other 3, their connections is bad, so I couldn't fuck with those. But pretty dope. I'm gonna have to fuck with it another day. I don't know if I'm actually end up using the horns with this, or if I'm be able to use the horns with the bags. But if I am able to, it'd be pretty fire. I might have to end up running 2 different type of valves. One valve that shuts off shuts it off going to the horns or one that goes to the bags, but I'm gonna have to end up seeing. We passing in the Dodge, bro. Look, we passing. Look, Dalen. We passing. Trying to get this bitch to the shop. We about halfway there. So far, so good. I ain't lying. The old Dodge pulling. Pulling up to the shop. Hope it don't wreck. Just dropped my truck off at the shop. Hopefully they'll have it fixed pretty soon. Said they might start on it tomorrow for sure by Tuesday if I dropped it off. So we'll hopefully see it running again. Hey with it, little slime.